This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom home page on the DuckDuckGo web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the DuckDuckGo web browser opened up now. To set a custom home page in this browser, it's very easy to do. If you look off to the upper left-hand corner up here, I have a little icon of a house up here. If you don't see it on yours, I'll show you how to enable it, but that is the home button. You can customize this to go to whatever site you want it to go to when you click on it. I currently have mine set to youtube.com. If I click on it, it takes me to youtube.com. To customize your home button, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on the General tab, General. And then right down here you can see it says Home Page, and it gives you a couple of different options. The very bottom thing is Home Button in the toolbar. This will enable your home button. If you don't see it, you just click on this drop down and it gives you three options: to hide the home button, show left of the back button, or I have enabled show right of the reload button. And then above that, you want to toggle on specific page and then click on Set Page. The little dialog box that opens up here, it displays the URL of the website that I have listed as being my home page. I have mine set to youtube.com, but you would just paste in whatever URL you want to. Then you would go down to the bottom and click on OK. That is how to set a custom home page in the DuckDuckGo web browser. Thanks for watching.